Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. In front of you, you see this mood board inspiration piece brought to us by Becky. She is our host for the month of March. It has all those wonderful pastel colors with a punch of green and black and white. It's got that mustard yellow, it has mint, it has blue, it has pink, just every shade that you would love to work with that is screaming the beginning of spring. I have 3 photographs that I am going to document, and guess what? They are winter per se photographs. They were taken March 1st to be exact of 2020, and we had a little cold snap and there was a little bit of snow and ice, and I already done the photograph of my little guy playing with the ice, but you can see it is gorgeous. The sun came out. It is just beautiful. And yes, I am going to use this spring collection of papers that's in my kit to document those photographs. And when I put my kit together, I'm going to use this circle from Creative Memories, because I'm going to cut out a circle. And then to go over the papers that were in my kit for Mini Kit Monday for March, I selected this paper from Close to My Heart, which is the Mix In January, February release. I don't know if it's still available. I am a Close to My Heart maker consultant. You can always text me below if you're interested. I have this yellow cardstock paper, again from Close to My Heart. They're two-tone. This is the lighter side. That is the darker side. This fabulous paper from Photoplay, which says Be Brave, is the collection line, or name of the paper, but the collection line is Think to Remember. I don't know what year it was released. There's no year on it. But I selected for this side, it represents all those colors in that mood inspiration board. This paper is from Jen Hatfield, and it's called My Bright Life. I selected this side. Now I don't know if I can use this side because I don't mind using pink for a boy's layout at all. It has my greens in it and so forth, but my little guy's shirt is maroon, so this may have to be saved for another layout. Also part of my kit was this sticker sheet, which was my second jumping off point to putting my kit together. As you can see, when I saw this mood board inspiration piece that Becky selected, I immediately said, oh, that sticker sheet from Close to My Heart, which you can get this collection if you are a VIP member. It's still available until I think the end of March. So if you're interested in this, put the link or leave a comment below and I'll give you more information about it. In my kit, I had the Jen Hatfield chipboard pieces, and it is from Simple Life. Yeah, I know you're probably picking up a glare. I apologize. I'm just briefly going to go over these items in the kit. Then I have these word phrases, which I don't think any of these are going to work, possibly. And then chipboard from Vicky Booten, Wildflower and Honey collection, some puffy stickers from Bella Boulevard, an older collection, and then these puffy hearts that I have. And I picked those up, I think, at Michael's or Hobby Lobbies. It may have been Hobby Lobbies. So those are I'm gonna work with that. So what I'm gonna do first is trim up these photographs. decide which of these papers, how I'm going to layer them up, which one I'm going to cut in a circle. I am thinking that this may be, maybe that'll be my base color. My base is the stripe. And I think I might double cut a circle out using this and this. And this, like I said, I think even though it was in my kit to use this to create a layout, I'm not sure that I'm going to at all use this. If I do, it will be matting these photographs, but I think I'm going to mat them in Daisy white cardstock. So I am going to pause the video, cut out my paper, assemble those papers, trim down my photos. I think I'm going to be able to trim them down maybe 4 by 4 is what I'm thinking. And then I will be back and we will embellish this layout together. I am back. As you can see, I decided to use the yellow cardstock from Close to My Heart as the base paper. Then I layered up for another foundation layer, which was that striped paper from Photo Play. I inked the edges using the Tim Holtz Distressed ink in Mode Lawn, and I roughed up the edges as well. When I cut a quarter strip from the Photo Play paper from 2 sides, one here and one on the bottom, and I used one of those quarter strips. I flipped it over. Remember, it has this flowered pattern paper there, and I'll show you that in a minute. Then I cut out my circles using the Creative Memory circle, and I cut the green out using the green blade. Then for the yellow cardstock, I used the red blade, just in case you have that large circle and you have the blades. Again, I roughed up the edges. I inked the yellow one using Tim Holtz Distressed ink and Ground Espresso. Whoops. Okay, I taped the back of it off camera, and I was going to secure this, and then I realized I wanted to show you this strip. Then on the back side, you can see that pattern paper, okay, of the striped paper. Then you can see where I cut out this yellow circle right here, see? And then I used the rest of it, like I said, as my foundation layer, all right? Or base, and then this the foundation layer. And then I'm going to layer up here, and I am going to place this circle. I'm not worried about being perfectly centered. Then off camera, I matted my photographs. So I think I'm going to put this one at top like this. I'm going to angle it maybe. And of my little guy with that snowball in his hand. Here he's making it again, and I think I'll tuck that under like that, and then here he's throwing it at my husband. I like that better. Yes, I do. I like that. Perfect. Okay, I've secured these elements down using wet adhesive, and I have decided I'm going to add a little bit of the Heidi Swapp Color Shine and Butter that was in my kit, and then outside of my kit I decided to grab the Dilution Shimmer Spray in Cut Grass, because I think that will just add a nice pop. And I think I'll place it right here, and maybe in here. All right, this layout is complete. I added my splatters using butter and the Dilution Cut Grass in Shimmer Spray. It's always hard to control your splatters, so don't worry about it. I did get a nice big blob there, but that's okay because it kind of draws your eyes this way. I will write my little guy's name there. And I think even though this is a winter photograph that was taken March 1st, it still represents that it's in the month of March where we begin to see winter dissipate and spring come. So this is like spring forward, right? I love it, love it, love it. It turned out fabulous. All right, be sure to check out the other ladies. I will have their links listed below in the description box. Go see what they created using their kit for layout number 2. Show us some love, give us some thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Bye.